Very good evening to all of you students. Beta, we have already started the language of chemistry. Last class, I have already taught you about valency and compound formation, but I just going to revise it once again, the valency part. Okay. Now, in our life, beta, we have role model. Similarly, for element, what are the role model for them? Noble gas. Every element want to become like the nearest noble gas. And in order to become like, बाहर चला गया ये. Yeah. Anyways, they want to become like what? Nearest noble. In order to become like nearest noble gas, they will either lose or gain electron. Lose or gain. Okay. Now, if you see here, how many electron is there in the outermost orbit? One, 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 one. Who is the nearest noble gas to this? Helium. Here it is neon. So, in order to become stable, what it will do? They will lose this one electron. They will lose one electron, right? So, what will be the valency of all these elements? Plus one. What it will be? अच्छा हमने ये व्हाट अबाउट देम बेटा how beryllium is nearest noble gas is helium. Magnesium nearest noble gas is neon. So in order to become like it will have to lose these two electrons. So what is the balance of all these elements? Plus 2. If they will lose how many electrons? 3, 3. So their valence is plus 3. But beta, if you see this fluorine, who is the nearest noble gas to fluorine and chlorine? Tell me, fluorine is neon. So in order to become, here it is 2 comma 7, here it is 8. So how many electron it wants to gain? So okay, this will also gain 1 electron or not? Tell me. So once they gain electron, they develop negative charge. So it will be what? 1 minus. Clear valency. Oxygen and sulfur will gain how many electron? 2. So what will be their valency? This fellow will gain how many electrons? 3. So valency is 3. Octet होने के लिए 8 होने के लिए 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा कि नहीं बोलो. अच्छा कार्बन विल गेन how many इलेक्ट्रॉन? 3. 5 plus 3 8 होता है ना. तो -4. So this yeah +4 वो सिलिकॉन वगैरह ले आगे आएगा. Clear any difficulty till here? So this is what your valency. Then beta once we did valency, then I told you to this all elements we did and what beta red single element which has charge is iron is known as what? Iron. Positive ion are positive ions. Which ion? Positive. Look, we did Na1 plus K1 plus Ca2 plus Mg2 plus. So they are positive. So they are what? Cations. What are they are? Ions means anything which has charge. And since they are positively, they are called as cation. Always remember cations are basic. Always remember they are what? Basic. Yes, beta, tell me. I'll teach beta. Wait, na beta. One by one, beta. Then negative. Negative Cl1 minus. Okay, fluorine 1 minus. Bromine 1 minus. Oxygen 2 minus. Nitrogen 3 minus. Sulfides. All these are negative. So negative are known as what? Anions. Anions are acidic. Anions are, so they are single element. Now, if there is a group of atom, if there is a group of atom, can you see it is a single or group of atom? Group of atom. And if anything which has a group of atom and if it has charge, group of atom and if it has what? Charge, then we call it as radical. We call it as, in your entire syllabus, only positive radical is which one? Ammonium. What is the name for this? Ammonium. 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 Stop playing with it. Ammonium. Um, Ammonium. Only positive radical. Hey, now I'm going to go for the another one. Look it up. OH1 minus. It is a single atom or group of atom? Group of atom. Hydroxide. It is negative radical. What it is? Okay. Similarly, if I write SO4 2 minus sulfate, CO3 2 minus carbonate. All this we did. All this we have done. I have discussed in the last class, and we have done a lot of compound formation. I'll just show you which all are very important for you, beta. Can you see this? These are the positive one, potassium, sodium. Here, with a very important one is this one, beta, ammonium. Okay, this is in your textbook, beta. Clear? Then only positive radical. Then there are many others, but others all are metal. Are you getting it? Hey, this all you have to buy heart. Hydroxide is OH1 minus. Aluminate is AlO2 1 minus. बताता हूं ना सब. Dichromate is Cr2O7 2 minus. Phosphate, zincate, plumbite, nitride. Carbon 4 minus is carbide. Clear? And these are the variable valency. Cuprous, cupric, ferrous, ferric, argentus, argentic, plumbus, plumbic, stannous, stannic. So these are what, beta? Variable valencies. So we have discussed variable valencies also. Then last class I told you beta how to do compound formation. Compound formation. I have explained also. Suppose there is an element A, if its valency is X plus, and B if it is Y minus. So what we do? We do crisscross. We do A by Bx. I'll give you a very simple example. Pay attention here. Sodium is 1 plus, Cl is 1 minus. So one crisscross. If whenever 1 is there, we never write 1. So what it becomes? NaCl. But if it is magnesium and if it is chloride, so 1 will go here, 2 will go here. What will you get? So this is crisscross. This is what beta? This. If I have aluminium and bauxite, what you will get beta? Crisscross. O3. Are you getting it? Oh, beta this iska jute. The cap of this will become shoe of this. The cap of this will become shoe of this. इसका क्या था बोल वैलेंसी 3 ना तो इसका क्रिस हो गया बेटा एक अब आर यू गेटिंग इट समझा बेटा सही बेटा आर यू गेटिंग इट डियर सही सही नहीं बोला सही नहीं बोला ए व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन stop this boy here you will tell me now look beta here acha if the valency is what beta if valency okay listen I'll give you very simple chalo beta tell me magnesium is 2 and nitride is 3 what you will get tell me very good very good okay okay if valency is similar it get cancel calcium is 2 plus O is 2 minus so 2 will get what very good okay now please pay attention here this is very interesting one I'm giving you Sn is 4 plus and O is 2 minus now what you will think you will say sir we will write Sn to O4 no not allowed is this multiple these two are can I divide these two yes. 2 ones are 2 twos are now you do crisscross therefore what you'll get Sn O2 are you getting it 1 कैसे आएगा बस 1 अरे आएगा ही कैसे 1 है ही नहीं ना बेटा अच्छा चलिए 1 यहाँ पे मैं लिखता 1 तो कोई मतलब नहीं बनता 1 इंटू Sn इज Sn ओनली ना नहीं लिखना है बेटा रूल नहीं लिखना 1 को आएगा तो नहीं लिखना है बेटा अभी but problem arises when there is an what beta radical if I've given OH1 minus and this is calcium 2 plus why don't you just shut your mouth hey this will go here and this will come here whenever there is a radical we have to and if it is more than 1 then you have to put it in whole bracket. So calcium OH twice. Are you getting it? Okay. Hey, why don't you just shut your mouth? Aluminium and I'm giving you sulfate. So what will happen? Tell me. And this is it is in whole bracket. Are you getting it? Okay. Whenever there is beta radical and if it is repeated more than once then the radical should be put into bracket now I want all of you to do beta please come here I have given you today this worksheet, beta. That worksheet you will keep it ready. This one. And this, yes, this page number is 38. Come to page number 38. After 37, there is 38.
What are numbers? Already done it.
Okay. Wait, done. Those who have doing for first time, let them do.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Now, pay attention here. Hey, yeah, do the laugh for what, man? Okay. Sodium is 1 plus and sulfur is 2. Already this is given here, beta. Right? So what you do, beta? This one example I given. This goes here, this comes here. What do you get? Na2S. Now what I want all of you to do, I'll help you. What is the valency of ammonium? 1 plus. Carbonate is 2 minus. So now what you will get here to write here? Chalo. NH4 twice CO3. ए भाई बात नहीं कर रहा, पब्लिक भी बोलता मार दूंगा भाई. अमोनियम कार्बोनेट. Clear? Those who have got worksheet today, they can start writing. तूने कर दिया बेटा ये? अच्छा, वेरी गुड. ए लिमाए, तूने किया क्या? लिमाए ना? सरने में लिमाए, लिमाए ना? डन वाला ए डन. तूने लिखा क्या? तो लिखना क्या कर रहा है अभी तक? ये वाला क्या होगा बोल? अरे टू इधर आएगा कि नहीं? तो लिखना. वेटिंग फॉर क्रिसमस और व्हाट? लिख. सेकेंड वन अभी बता. कैल्शियम का वैलेंसी कितना होता है? 2 प्लस. इसका 3 माइनस. तो क्या होगा? 3 इधर आएगा. टेल मी फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? Ca PO4 होल ब्रैकेट. ठीक है. कभी भी बेटा अगर ये समझाना लिख पापे वो नंबर बेटा बाय हार्ट करना पड़ेगा. वैलेंसी हाँ नहीं देंगे. वही तो है ना. ये वन यहाँ पे दिस विल गो यार. व्हाट विल गेट? नहीं देंगे. वही तो बाय हार्ट करना है. क्यों? अभी मैंने बताया भी ना. फर्स्ट 20 का मैंने बताया ना तुम लोगों को. रेडिकल विल हैव टू बाय हार्ट. बस आते नहीं. हैव यू कॉपी टेल यार? आ रहा है बेटा? पक्का? वेरी गुड. ए ओ मैडम जी आ रहा है. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? What? No, you have to do this crisscross, beta. What? No. Last class I am doing right from the beginning, beta.
Last class online thing.
But I am doing from the beginning. I am doing from beginning. Okay, but I am doing it now for you. Now you see now at least. Now okay, I'll help you, sir. You tell me this. ए बेटा तू बोल रही थी ना ये परमैंगनेट है. ये परमैंगनेट. K is 1 plus and this is 1 minus. Camino4. क्या पास? Camino4. Have you understood, beta? Now, Chachal, I'll help you. This is 1 plus and this is 2 minus. Do crisscross. What you'll get? K2Cr2O7. Right? Now, easy to है. Okay. What you were doing? Hatching eggs or what? The first you copy this. Then I'll teach you. नहीं वो मैंने लिख के इरेज कर दिया बेटा. ये बाद में बताता हूँ ना. इसका मेरे को बता. सोडियम इज 1 प्लस. झिंकेट इज 2 माइनस. So what you get? Sodium zincate. What you'll get? Sodium zincate. Aluminium is 3. Nitrogen is 3. 3 क्या हो जाएगा? Cancer. Aln. Easy. Are you getting it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
पक्का? अभी ये सुनो. वेट रुक जाओ. ये भाई इसका क्या डाउट था तेरा? बोल. ये कैल्शियम का 2 प्लस है. इसका 1 माइनस है. तो कैल्शियम बाय कार्बोनेट है ये. ट्वाइस. ये ले, ये भी नहीं किया तो ये ले, ये भी दे देता, ले ले ले।
सेवेंथ वाले में
हाँ, रुक जा, ये हो गया कॉपी।
यस सर
ऊपर वाला तूने नहीं कॉपी किया अभी तक बेबी। ये ले, अमोनियम एंड दिस इज कार्बोनेट। हाँ तो सिर्फ तो अंडा दे रही थी क्या अभी तक? ये ले, ओके, ये ले, ये कमीनो 4 है। हो गया बेटा, 7th and 8 डन बेटा। ओके चलो, क्या सोडियम का 1 प्लस है और झिंकेट का 2 माइनस है, बोल।
सर अब तो
क्रिस क्रॉस करने का भाई
क्रिकेट को अगर ब्रैकेट में
चलेगा, क्योंकि वो मैंने क्या बोला, रेडिकल अगर एक से ज्यादा होगा तो ही ब्रैकेट में आएगा। ओके, अरे यार ये लोग ने नहीं किया ना, लोगों को बता से। ओके, ए चुपचाप बैठा। चलो बेटा आ जाते हैं। नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज में तेरा डाउट है ना, चल बता बेटा। यहाँ पे दे हैव गिवन कॉपर 2 एंड सल्फेट इज व्हाट 2 2 कैंसल। Whenever they write in bracket this Roman number, that is the valency. What is the valency given here? 3. Here it is how much? Chlorine is always 1. What? Obviously matter first, we always write positive. Okay?
So all of it you don't really have to do anything, you just write.
Yeah. First 2 done.
Yes, sir.
First 2 done. First 2 done. Chalo. Then I want you to do the next 4.
Sure, sir.
Try on your own. Try on your own. I am giving you the valencies. Nitrate is NO3 1 minus. Last class तूने बेटा लिखा था कि नहीं, अटेंड किया था ऑनलाइन?
Yes,
मैंने लिखवाया था, तूने लिखा नहीं कुछ? किसने लिखा है बेटा? तूने लिखा है सर?
लास्ट टाइम आपने सारे उसके
बेटा इतने सारे एक्सरसाइज इसमें परमैंगनेट भी था बेटा। ये देखो ये देख इतना last class I have given everything and each and every example I have explained in detail. Clear? And then beta we have done many compounds. हाँ जहाँ पे और बाहरी बैठना भी, बाहरी बैठना, तू अंदर आ जा, तू टाइम पास होगा बार बार यहाँ। हाँ तो मत जा, बैठ। ओके, ये व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? दिस वन। Very good. What about this? NO3 Ag NO3. This is, you are done beta. I hope you are doing it. CU, ये 1 तो लिखते नहीं, 2 यहाँ पे जाएगा तो NO3 होल ब्रैकेट 5। अकेला है तो H6 देख लो। Done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Then beta, I want you to do this too. What is this? Pb2 plus carbonate 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus. So what will you get? Pinge 2 cancel. This what will you get? Are you getting it? Hello. Everything I'll explain. Wait. Hello. Done. Okay. Now, I told you beta here, this is magnesium and this is what? Hydroxide. So what is the name? Magnesium This is sodium and sulfide. Which was 16th one? So what were you doing?
So can you please switch off the
No, not at all.
Sulfur.
Okay.
So can you please switch off the
No, not at all. No, not at all. Magnesium hydroxide. This is sodium sulfide. Yeah, ammonium is 1 plus bicarbonate is 1. So NH4CO3. Nickel is 2. Sulfate is also 2. So nickel, sulfate. 2 cancel. Zinc is 2. Carbonate is also 2. So 2 cancel. So what will get? Zinc carbonate. Aluminium sulfate. This is alu and this is sulfate. Chromium is 3. Chlorine is 1. So CrCl3. Chromium valence is 3. Potassium is 1. Iodine is 1. Potassium iodide. Hey, just now we did calcium and hydroxide. Calcium valence is 2, na beta? Ammonium is 1. Nitrate is also 1. So what I'll get? Ammonium nitrate. But I'll explain everything for you. Okay? Don't worry. I'm waiting only, man. Fast. Eh? Yeah. No, not at all. I can increase the temperature if you want. No, fan is very, very, very slow. Okay? It doesn't make it. Done, all of you? Done. Now, always, last class I gave you very important thing, beta. Where is that book? I have given you all the compounds and I told you to write those compounds. Do you remember important gases? Okay. Look, beta, what all thing I gave you. Okay. When for basic thing I am going to teach you. Chalo beta, ये हो गया कि नहीं? Shall I erase this? Now pay attention here. I gave you the list. This list we are going to use again and again. Wait. First we did beta neutral gas. Which were the neutral gas I gave you? Okay. Whenever beta if I say nitrogen in exam, so we'll write it as what? N2. Hydrogen whenever we write it. This I gave in the last class only. H2. अरे मैं ऐसे ही बता रहा तुम लोग ने अगर नहीं लिखा रहेगा तो ऑक्सीजन इज O2. So these are the neutral gas we generally write, whenever we in exam they ask. Then there is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, if I say, means what? OCO. There is monoxide. Then I gave you nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is NO. Nitric oxide is NO. And nitrous oxide is N2. And if I say water vapor or water, then how will you write? H2O. Even if I write water also, then also you will write H2O only. Are you getting it? Then I gave you list of acidic gas. Which gas? If you remember, why this gas is known as, why these neutral gas are neutral? Because if you dissolve in water, it will neither form acid nor it will form base. Acidic gas. Why this first acidic gas? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, if I dissolve it in water, it forms what? Acid. Sulfur dioxide. सब बता रहा. SO2. Sulfur trioxide. I gave you this list. SO3.
Nitrogen
Nitrogen dioxide. NO2. Wait. Clear, beta? Then if I give you chlorine, then you'll write it as Cl. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. This all you should know. Then only basic gas in your syllabus is only basic gas. Yeah. Only basic gas is which one? HCl. Acha, I'll give you that also. Hydrogen chloride gas. Acidic gas, hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen chloride, HCl. Ammonia is the only basic gas. NH3, right? Not NH4. NH. Then I gave you list of acids. Then I gave you list of acid. Do you know, beta, what list of acid we did? Right? If I give you nitrous acid. Us में बेटा us होता है तो 1 O is less. अच्छा, I'll write it on the next page. जाने दे बेटा. ले. Nitrous acid is HNO2. Nitric is HNO3. Sulfurous acid. Sulfurous is what, beta? H2SO3. Sulfuric, if I give you sulfuric, H2SO4. Phosphoric acid I gave you, right ना बेटा? phosphor पहले phosphorus दे दो. Phosphorus acid H3PO3. Phosphoric. Rick में you have one extra. H3PO4. ये याद आ रहा है? ये सब मैंने करवाया था.
सर सब में H क्यों आ रहा है?
एसिड में H ही होगा ना बेटा.
सर एसिड में H आता ही है तो उसमें
एसिड में H होता ही है बेटा. क्लियर है? सो दिस इज व्हाट. अच्छा, इसके बाद और भी दिया था मैंने. ओके, इसके बाद मैंने क्या दिया था, याद आ रहा है? हाँ, बताता हूँ बेटा. ये सब है मैंने. वी हैव डन दिस लास्ट क्लास. Then hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. अरे we have written this. Why you are writing again and again? HCl. और यहाँ पे हम लोग ऐसा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड में मतलब ये एसिड डिसॉल्व इन वाटर होता है तो लिक्विड लिखेंगे हम या डाइल्यूट लिखेंगे. ठीक है ना बेटा? ए देन एसिटिक एसिड वी डिड.
Sir, could you go back?
Yeah, acetic acid is also known as Vinegar. छत्रीकू.
सर आप पीछे जा. अरे बारिश होती है तो छतरी कूल होती है ना उसको. ओह माय गॉड. एक बार पासवर्ड एस.
Why I am giving you all this thing, beta? Because in exam they will ask. Now, what type of question they will ask you, beta? First, they will give you the name of the compound and they will tell you to write the formula. Or they will give you the formula and they will tell you to write the name. ठीक है?
अरे सर पीछे जाना.
क्यों, क्या पीछे क्या जाने का? अभी क्या करने का?
कोई सॉल्व कर.
दिखा, दिमाग खराब मत कर. अभी यहाँ पे बता रहा हूँ मैं. अभी बेटा ये देखो, ये आप अभी सॉल्व कर सकते हो कि नहीं?
मार दिया.
चलो, ए वर्कशीट विच आई गिवन, आई वांट यू टू सॉल्व दिस. हेलो, अभी ये सॉल्व कर. चाहिए तो ये सामने में रखता हूँ. ले ये बस. ट्राई टू सॉल्व दैट. अरे वो मैथ द कॉलम करना भी भाई नाम. हाँ, ए सॉल्व दैट पार्ट. सॉल्व किया तो दैट मींस यू विल टॉक इन द क्लास. द नॉनसेंस.
HNO3 is nitric acid. यार अरे ना Yeah, when I was saying with the I.
How much you got Dhruvi in exam? नहीं मिला?
I think my sister will be ignorance too.
चलो डन डन.
But we write this.
What? This I have made you write last class. You know that?
इतना भी नहीं पता इतना भी नहीं पता
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, I am doing now. चलो.
सर आप कौन
I'll write it here only answer. That very well.
हम तो हमारे हमें सॉल्व करने के लिए 5 मिनट दो ना
तो तुम लोग कर ही नहीं रहे यहाँ पे मैं टाइम पास करे तुम लोग.
What? Let's see. Let's see.
इतना मैथ का कॉलम कर दो फटाफट तुम्हारा. बस मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. जी हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड होगा वहां पे जी आएगा. Why? Because hydrogen chloride is a gas and hydrochloric is acid. ये देखना लिखा है ना बेबी लिमा, ये देखना ये क्या है, आंसर लिख दिया ना तेरे सामने. तो फिर क्या कर रही है?
So then it's how do you do that? I'm trying to do it. H3PO. अरे मन में भी
ओके डू योर वर्क.
थोड़ा नीचे जाओ ना.
रुक जाना, पहला यहाँ तक हो गया क्या?
और हो गया थोड़ा नीचे करना.
चुपचाप बैठो. या
उस साइड पे
दो HCl है ना. हाँ तो एक HCl हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड इज अ गैस. हाँ तो SO2 है वो. अरे वो मैं अभी एडजस्ट कर रहा था, इरेज हो गया. SO2 है सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. अरे I'll tell you, I'll बता रहा हूँ पहले ये हो गया यहाँ तक फॉस्फोरेट. ओके नाउ लुक हियर. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड जो होता है ना बेटा, एसिड, उसके लिए हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? HCl. It says hydrogen chloride gas and hydrochloric acid. What bag? No, what bag? There is no bag. That is hydrogen chloride gas. And this is
Carbonic acid is carbonic
ये ले बेटा बैक वाली. Okay, now we are going to go for the next part. This is very, very important. Where it has, yeah, balance is very important. Easy only. It's a few things you'll have to buy hard.
Sir, what is H3PO?
Phosphoric acid. लिख बेटा दिखा दो. Phosphorus is H3PO3. Phosphoric Devas. Chalo, I'm erasing this now. Okay. Now, this you are going to do on your own. I'll just give you one or two example. Like, look now, this is what beta potassium. So potassium is 1 minus. Bisulfite is SO3 1 minus. 1 cancel. So what will you get? Are you getting it? Sodium is 1 plus. Bisulfate they are given. 1 minus. Crisscross. Cancel. Yeah. Camino potassium is K1 plus. Permanganate is MnO4 1 minus. 1 cancel. So Camino 4. Potassium is 1 plus. Dichromate is Cr2O7 2 minus. Sodium is 1 plus. Zincate. Crisscross. What? Calcium is 2 plus. Nitrite is 3 minus. So what will you get? हाँ चलो अभी तो करो थोड़ा थोड़ा. Okay, I'll write the valency. At least you do crisscross. Ammonium and phosphate.
सर ये देखो धृति क्या कर रही है.
Allu.
आयरन को याद.
चलो do this on your own. Crisscross करो. ए बेबी चलो.
बेबी.
ए चले डबल कॉपी कर क्रिसक्रॉस करो.
What is that?
Just copy.
तो दिख नहीं रहा है क्या? एक क्रिसक्रॉस वी आर डूइंग बेटा.
I don't. Yes.
जा 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 बेटा वॉश.
अरे नहीं इधर जा. दबा देंगे बड़ी सॉइल है. मुझे
कार्बन H2CO3 अभी बताया ना, लिखवाया था ना मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. H2CO3. अरे इसके बुक में था ना भी, ये बुक में ठीक है. रैप्टा मैंने लिखवाया था, मैंने सब लिखवाया. अंधा है क्या? अंधी है क्या? चलो ये वाला आया. हाँ तो डू इट बेटा. वो तुमको प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए देख मैं ये देने वाला हूँ. डोंट वरी. ओके अरे यार क्रिस क्रॉस बेटा. We will come here, one will go here. अरे ये सब होमवर्क करने के लिए मेरे को देने का, अभी सब क्लास में करेंगे तो आगे का पढ़ेंगे कब? Shall I erase this now?
Pull down.
Shall I erase?
So ये बहुत easy
I was doing it by myself.
तुझे very much अभी वो नहीं आता अभी बोल रहा है अब तू साइड में बोल रहा है बात कर रहा है आई साइड तू साइड में बोल रहा है
Okay. I'm going ahead.
Such a sad is from too much.
Hey. Pass. Pass. I'm erasing this now. Pass. Enough. No.
नीचे जाकर दोनों का नो लिख दिया
1, 2, 3. Erase.
नाइट्राइट
No bullshit.
आराम से बेटा, थोड़ा आराम से.
सॉरी
Look here, copper 1 was given, so copper 1. Here, copper 2 is given. Iron 2. Iron 3. Iron 2. नहीं आ रहा है? ये तेरे को CU जैसा है. देख बेटा, जब भी ये 2 2 होगा तो ये कैंसल हो जाएगा, पता है ना? वो जान दे, ये रॉन्ग है, वो कैंसल कर दे. प्लीज कैंसल दिस, नॉट अलाउड.
केमिस्ट्री पुरोहित सर ने किटी पार्टी रखा इधर डिस्ट्रैक्ट करे जा रहे हैं
चलो डू क्रिस क्रॉस. 3 will go here, 2 here. What you'll get? A 2 2 cancel. बस 2 2 cancel.
अरे मैंने कुछ किया तो ही नहीं
2 here, 3 here. 2 2 cancel. 2 here, 3 here. Now this is very interesting. Pay attention here. ए भाई नौकर, बाद में बात कर. बस बेटा नहीं, चुपचाप बैठ. यहाँ पे 2 है और ये 4 है, तो इज इट ए मल्टीपल, सो इट विल गेट कैंसर. Therefore you get MnO2. So what you'll get here, this is 2 and these 2 will get cancel or not? PbO2. Multiple ना बेटा, so multiple it will get cancel. 2 2 3 and 2, so this will be 2 here and this will be thrice. Cu1.
Very cringe. Be quiet. Yeah.
So the sorry to me a lot.
Just fake. What did I do? What?
Please tell us.
Yes. So why do you have that?
That is not there. Please cancel it.
सभी
एक अब्बास कॉपी का
अरे पूरा इधर आगे अरे उतर गई डांस बोला सभी
Okay. Now all of you.
No, we don't dance.
Please, you'll have to by heart the balance. That is very, very important. Everybody is done, I guess.
Sir, I'm Dati
So that means we will talk in the class. Hey, I'm erasing this now. I am erasing this. Yeah. Hey baby, you're talking. Hey baby, what man? Yachio.
Sorry, what?
This you want again, I'll write it. This you have to cancel, huh?
Okay.
Wow. Now we are going to do a new part. Right. We are going to do the next thing today, new thing. So 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, chalo. Done this? All of you done this? Now we are going to do very important part, that is writing chemical reaction. What we are going to do? I want you to write in book chemical reaction. Now, beta, whenever we do chemical reaction, we will write something on the left hand side. We call them as what? Reactant. Whatever we write on the this side, what are form? Products are. So left hand side where there is reaction and on the right hand side there is products. Okay. Suppose I'll give you an example. Very simple example. A plus B gives me C plus D. So these are my reactants and this is my products.
What?
Yeah, I'll tell you, beta. That sign and all, everything I'll tell you. Balancing, nahi. First write this. Concept we are doing. A, कोई बातें नहीं है, नया चीज करना लिखो. A. Yes. ए भाई ए हीरोइन लोग ये लिखो अभी अभी ये नहीं लिख रहा. चलो ए दिवजोत ना क्या नाम है दिवजोत. Now this is only this same chapter only we are doing. Okay. Will you listen Okay, I am going to the next part. Very important. I am not waiting now. Bas, enough. No, I am not Sunil at all. Okay, now we go to the next part. First question. In exam, beta, there. What were you doing there? Hatching eggs or what? Don't ask. This girl here, I'll throw you out. Huh? You're not writing. Boy, where you have written this? Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Yeah. Now we are going to do very important thing. Chalo. We have to do balance equation. So balancing equation, beta, they will give you word equation first. What they will give you? How to do this. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay. First equation. If I tell you hydrogen plus oxygen gives you water, so first, I told you beta in the beginning only, whenever hydrogen will come, you'll write it as H2. Whenever hydrogen will come, you'll write it as. Whenever oxygen will come, you'll write it as. And whenever water or water vapor will come, we'll write it as. So what you are going to do here? H2O2. And water is H2 plus. Now we have to balance this. I'm going to teach you the trick. First, what you are supposed to do, please. ये एरो है ना, उसके नीचे what are the different element यार, एरो के नीचे लिखो यहाँ पे hydrogen and what. Now in left hand side, how many hydrogen are there? See, left hand हो गया बेटा, चलो जाना, चलो हाइड्रोजन आओ जा, हो गया बस, चुपचाप बैठ और काम कर सर. हाँ, ओके. तेरे को क्या साफ करने का पानी? ओके, चुपचाप बैठ. How many hydrogen on the left hand side? This boy here, how many hydrogen? How many oxygen on the left hand side? How many hydrogen on the right hand side? How many oxygen on the right hand side? कितना है देखना. Now the rule says that on the both the side I should have same number. Now your oxygen is 1, but here it is 2. So what I'll put here? 2. The moment I put here 2, so O will become 2. But what will happen to H? 2 into 2, it will become 4. Oh my God. Now, so I'll put here 2. Now you have to check whether it is 4. Yes. 2. Yes. बैलेंस किया ना ये, समझा क्या?
नहीं समझा.
तू लीक में बिजी था, मैं बताने भी नहीं वाला तेरे को, ठीक है?
वो बोला है वो कहने.
Copied all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Look, first we wrote normal equation. This was the normal equation, but we are supposed to balance it. This was hydrogen plus oxygen. This is water only. Okay. This was our normal equation. ये तो अभी ये बैलेंस किया, समझा ना? चलो, next equation I am going to write and you will do on your own. 1, 2, 3, start. Start.
Yes, sir. Sorry, bomb. Oh.
Yeah, yes.
So those lines.
Last year, अभी shut up बस. Last year chemistry
मेरे भाई को
if we could like balance the thing without the worksheet, then it's okay. If we
Yeah,
had
it's
to do
okay.
it, it's fine.
Yeah, it's okay, but I want to teach you baby steps. That is why. Okay. Yeah, you can directly write also.
Done, sir.
Done, all of you. This first one. Okay. Now, second one you are going to do on your own. Nitrogen plus hydrogen gives me ammonia. Okay.
अरे सर वो दो ना
क्या वो क्या दू? ये ले. ये ले. नाइट्रोजन के लिए क्या लिखेगा? ये ले ईडे. ये ले ईडे. नाइट्रोजन. ये तेरा हाइड्रोजन. और अम्मो. NH3. वो अमोनियम होता है. तो ये अमोनिया पूछा इसके लिए. एक लाखों वापिस.
सर वो क्या
ओके बेटा. This boy here, wait. This boy here, yes, stand up, yes. Stand up. एक मिनट उठना. आंसर बताने का है. यहाँ पे पहला कौन सा अलग अलग एलिमेंट है? N और H. लेफ्ट में N कितना है? H कितना है? यहाँ पे कितना है? N2 दिख रहा है तेरे को? 3 है. N कितना है? बेटा, can you help your friend in toilet? No, ना. Then why are you helping him? Shut your mouth. बता. Now what you are going to do? तो यहाँ पे 2 डालना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? So this will become 2. But what will happen to hydrogen? 2 into 3? 2 into 3 multiplication maths. 2 into 3. ये 6 हो गया. अब तेरे को H को कितना बनाना पड़ेगा? 6 बनाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? तो 2 को कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो 6 आता है? हो गए. वेरीफाई. 2 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh.
Are you getting it? How to do balancing? How to do balancing? Okay. I'm going to give the next question. Chalo. All of you done this? Done. Done नहीं तो
Sir, personal tutoring. Sir, personal tutoring.
Sir,
Private tutoring. Sorry.
do this on your own. Aluminium plus oxygen gives you aluminium oxide. Al oxygen. And aluminium oxide, you know na beta? Al2O3. Chalo, do this on your own. I'm not going to balance this. Hey boy, this boy here. Stand here. Answer.
So,
Balance this on your own.
अरे 4 6 हो रहा ना 2 3 था 6 हाँ तो 3 ओ 3 है अरे इवेंट हाँ सर
नहीं.
3 तो 2 2 into 3 6 होता है हाँ तो 4
Index fill. सब लोग चुप हो.
Whenever there is an odd number,
सर वो क्या
odd को will convert into even.
That's why it नहीं है पर continue
मेरे को तो 64
There are 67.
देख रहे नहीं
ए दिव्यो तू कर रही है ना बेटा?
ऐसे
क्या कर रही है
क्या नाम है इनका? दिव्य ज्योत ना?
दिव्या ज्योत
दिव्य ज्योत, दिव्यो।
दिव्या नहीं है, सिर्फ कुछ दिव्या नहीं है।
ओके,
इसका सरनेम
सब लोग हाँ।
क्या हो गया
सर इसका नाम ठीक से बोलो, इसमें कुछ दिव्या है नहीं।
नहीं सब लोग मेरे को याद रहेगा।
इस
This girl here, yeah, have you balanced this? Show, okay, this, ये सब लोग बेटा, बस एक मिनट, सब लोग बेटा। अच्छा, यहाँ पे एल्यूमिनियम 2 है, यहाँ पे 1 है। Listen all of you, whenever there is odd, always make even. तो here it is 3 ना बेटा, तो I'll make it 1. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4. Now aluminum is only 1, so put here 4.
Yes.
Oxygen here is 6. Here, so what you put here? Balanced. Balanced. Okay, all of you. Are you getting it? Next. Chapite. Next. No, not at all. Got it? Daniko.
उसके ओपिनियन से फर्क पड़ता है अरे दिल को दबा रही है गला किसका गला गैस क्यों बोलेगा
Hydrochloric acid. Zinc valence is 2, chlorine is 1. So what I'll get?
अरे सर let us solve ना।
अरे तुम लोग को सॉल्व करने के लिए मैंने पूरा एक्सरसाइज दिया है। देख कौन सा एक्सरसाइज है पता है क्या?
फिर भी उसके आंसर की मांगती है मैं सर उसको सेल्फ स्टडी करना है
नहीं, उसमें भी मैं आपको एक ट्रिक बताऊंगा बेटा इसमें वाटर के लिए।
सर आपकी ट्रिक कहाँ गई
तू ही बताना ट्रिक क्या, तू ही बता मेरे को क्या करेगा इधर ये।
आप बताइए
यहाँ पे जिंक है, यहाँ पे एच है और यहाँ पे जिंक कितना है लेफ्ट में? एच कितना है? हाइड्रोजन, क्लोरीन, Zn, H,
This is 1 to 2. What's
आप बैलेंस करो खुद से। यहाँ पे 2 है तो ये भी 2 होना चाहिए कि नहीं? तो क्या करोगे?
Spotify पे गाना सुनने
ए भाई ये 2 है तो इसको 2 करने के लिए आगे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? HCl भी 2 हो जाएगा कि नहीं?
Yes.
तो बैलेंस हो गया कि नहीं? हो गया ना? छिंक 1 ही है था, यहाँ पे भी 1 ही है ना?
तूने लिखा क्या है?
Now I am going to give you very important point. Done. Okay. Now I just want to show you beta what I did with you right now. Okay. Look. We all have done today this conversions. Beta, can you see this? This all I gave you list. Yeah, wait. Yeah, no, wait, I'll tell you. It is in the notes, beta. Textbook this is. Then we did reactant and product. Then we did this basic reaction. Okay, we have done very, very, very basic reaction. Now I'm giving you one reaction, please. Potassium chlorate. Chlorate gives you potassium chloride and oxygen. And oxygen. वाह रेहान अभी आया देख इतना टाइम पास कर रहा था एंड में
अब भी सेंसेस में आया
चुप रहना यार समीर सही में समीर ज्यादा ही करता है यार समीर भाई साहब
सब लोग ने बाहर मत कर यार
व्हाट इज हैपनिंग सब लोग विवाह में जा तू आ रहे हो किस सब करती है This is not biology class like I didn't बोला समीर
Kind of. Get off my back.
सर पहले ही
गुस्सा आ गई
ओके सर अभी अनलक क्यों अरे सर पढ़ना है सर पढ़ना है सॉरी सर
You do something.
अरे और
Chats लिखा.
अच्छा
पढ़ने do this second song now.
Yeah.
मुझे पता है.
निर्मला
निर्मला सीतारमण
सर ये होली का कार्टून कर रहे हैं
नहीं
भाई मैंने बोले क्या 8 में 10 मिनट 9 मिनट को नीचे कॉल नहीं हंसी आ रही क्या हंसी आ रही है
सर किधर रखा है अपने टाइम पर
करना है और कुछ करना है
मेरा पूरे
हम लोग को नहीं
लेके क्या था क्या ऐसे कैसे हो गया नहीं मिला कोई तो नीचे बैलेंस दे
You have been क्या नहीं हो रहा था मेरा अबे कपड़ से पानी निकल रहा था
ये बैलेंस हुआ कि नहीं Okay, let me see. Wait. Yes. No, not. I'll send the answer. You have to stick it at the home, otherwise it will get spoiled. You can send the picture. You can send the picture. O कितना हो जाएगा 2 into 3? Okay. Now what? Hey, today I have given you this worksheet, all of you. अरे ये मैंने अभी आपको दिया है ना ये वाला. Okay. No, you don't. You take it home. You are this balance equation. Can you see that you are going to do in my worksheet which I given? Bas last 2 pages. Chalo, that's all for today. Bye bye.
Bye.